Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you a simple example of a grid fill. So we have this complex geometry here, rather complex, but what we're going to do here is that we're going to make a grid fill so that we have kind of like something that matches the topo, right? So right off the bat, what I want to do is I want to have this side, all these vertices matching up with these vertices. But to do that, we have to make sure that we have matching geometry as far as the number of vertices that are coming in on this side as we do on this side. So right off the bat, you can see that there's three edges right here, but there are 2 and 2 right here. So what you want to do then is you want to make sure that if you try for a grid fill, you can do this right here and just try one for the moment. So you do like a grid fill. Okay, so it does something with kind of this weird stuff, right? So it may give you something, but it's not exactly the most desirable result. So best practice would be to add another edge loop right here, add another one right here. And then what you end up getting is you get a lot more control on your grid fill. So I can do that here and here, and now we can say Control F, grid fill. And now, take a look at what we got there. We actually have a grid where we don't have like any weird triangles that we don't have any control over. So, what's really nice about grid fill is that it also kind of like matches geometry pretty well, you know? So, there's always stuff that you can manually adjust later, but this gives you the idea that you're going to get your grid fill. So we can go back and we can say, well, I don't quite like that. Well, then we can always get that so that it kind of goes like, okay, so we're going to grab this so it goes up, grab this, smooth it out, right? But it kind of gives you the idea of like that you can do like just kind of mountains, things like that. You can also do this for like if you're going to do like helmets or like cosplay stuff. Things where you're going to have like some hard surface modifiers that you're going to, or hard surface modeling that you're going to need to do. So you have that kind of stuff where you can just grid fill these. So it really helps out having just like complex geometry that needs to be filled in, and then you can control it just by using this simple modeling method. We're going to do this once again. I'm going to do Control F, grid fill. And it gives a little bit better control of your geometry. So, this is a quick little tutorial on how you can do grid fill. So, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that this helps you on getting started with using this modeling method. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave comments in this in the tutorial below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys.